Hello, 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 mighty pirates! So what are we going to see today? Today we are going to see this Commodore 64 that's supposed to not function, but once opened, I found this incredible flying object here. Actually, I think it's an UFO. An unidentified flying object. Flying inside the cabinet, fly away, fly away, fly away. So this is the typical situation where I really hope that no one tried to switch on this machine while this thing was flying inside. All right. So my hopes are to put on a kernel here and see this fabulous machine working. My hopes are very, very limited, but I'm going to try anyway. All right. So, oh, look at this pin here. So also banded, a banded pin. My goodness, it's simply a terrible situation. Anyway, let's do anyway. Look at this. Huh. Super easy. I'm gonna try again. Just ready? 3, 2, 1. Huh. How can it be so easy to get a kernel off? Because the previous UFO that we saw was just too wide, too fat, too everything. And now the socket holes are completely broken. So I need to change the socket to make the kernel work. Otherwise, the kernel won't work. That's crazy. Look at this socket here. Look at the pins. It was such a good socket that the pins stay there. That's amazing, isn't it? Ah. Well, with another socket, brand new socket and a new kernel installed. Look at this. Yeah. That's it. That's my man. That's my Commodore 64. All right. It's a nice satisfaction. Well, we are going to test everything using these ones too, of course, because we don't trust all the things here. But just the fact that it's open, it's switched on, and it works, it's a great deal. Love it. Listen to this. Perfect. 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 Uh-oh. Filters are not working. I think this SID chip is gone. Well, partially working. That's even worse. I think we need to play a game and see what happens. Alright, so we're going to listen to International Canada Plus and how it sounds with a broken SID. Well, actually it's a partially working one with filters actually completely mad. Listen to this. Can you hear it? Really bad. It's a shame, but it's not a functioning SID. Really bad. Let's make a quick summary of what we did on this machine. And we replaced the main socket of the kernel. The kernel was, the previous one was a replacement with a switch that we pull it away, and then we found out that the original SID, even if it was very valuable R4, a 6581 R4, the filters were not functioning, so we replaced it with standard 6581, and now we have a perfect working Commodore 64 again on this planet. So that's a good news, and I really hope this Commodore 64 is going to run for a long time. Okay, that's all folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please like or comment and give me your hands. Until the next time, bye!